Hello guys, today is Sunday and I've got you an absolutely awesome recipe for cinnamon banana nut mini loaves. To make this recipe you will need 4 extra ripe bananas, about medium size. Peel the bananas and place them in a large bowl where you'll be making your batter. Mash the bananas up until they are smooth and sort of creamy like so. And then you'll add in the rest of your wet ingredients, that is 2 eggs, melted butter, unsalted. I have all the measurements in the description box. Add some brown sugar also in there, and then some cooking oil or vegetable oil. Lastly, add your vanilla extract and beat everything until it is well combined and the eggs are broken down and your cream just looks good. The wet ingredient mixture should be well combined. Set it aside. Now measure out your all-purpose flour, 2 cups, and then add in baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and some cornstarch. Again, I have all these measurements in the description box. Add in some cinnamon because bananas and cinnamon are BFFs, and whisk this together until they are well combined. And now you're going to add your dry ingredient mixture onto the wet ingredients, and then do not beat at this point, just whisk them together until the batter is well formed. Your consistency of the batter should be like this. It shouldn't be too thick or too thin. And once your batter is well formed like this, you're ready to place it in the baking tray. So I'm using this mini Loaves tin. It's awesome. It's just makes the banana bread even better. So grease it. I'm using a non-stick cooking spray. You could also use butter and a little bit of flour to dust it. Just make sure to grease the sides and the bottom, and then divide up your batter equally on all the Loaf tins, and then top it with walnuts if you don't have a nut allergy. You could also omit the walnuts or replace them with chocolate chips or any other topping. Bake your banana bread and now it's ready. The mini loaves look really beautiful and they taste amazing. Let me show you the texture of the banana loaves. As you can see, they are very soft on the inside. They've browned nicely. And I broke this when it was still a little warm. You could let them fully cool down, but they're awesome either way. Perfect for breakfast or as a snack any time of day or even as a dessert. I hope you love this recipe and I hope to see you again. Bye bye.